Well, for the traders out there, the FX traders specifically, it's all about dollar yen today, and the yen more broadly. The yen's just been on this whipping boy path recently. Now, have a look at the trade we've seen today. Through 162, bang, up to 162.40. A lot of that was down to options barriers being triggered, stops above the recent highs as well, but it's managed to hold above 162. Now, if you have a look at the actual technical setup more broadly, you can actually see we've taken out the top side of this range, 140, 160. It's been holding for a period of time. Now, can this kick? Can this push higher? People are asking, are we going to see another round of yen intervention from the Ministry of Finance? Now, we have heard from the Finance Minister today. He's talked about the idea that they're going to take the right steps around that going forward, which has kind of pushed the idea that it's coming anytime soon. And that really, to get this going, to see a continued strength, something that actually works, you're going to see G7 coordinated intervention rather than a unilateral situation like we saw back on the 30th of April. We saw a 500-point run to the downside. Market came back up and it took 35 days to recoup those situations there. But the Bank of Japan, the Ministry of Finance, are fighting what is really get a ball underwater, push it down, bang, and up it comes. They're fighting a multitude of different factors. Carry. Everyone loves carry. What do you use to sell and fund that carry trade? The yen. You know, LATAM FX, Brazilian real, COP, they're all working beautifully this work on a carry basis, and that's the same with the dollar. You're fighting a broad US dollar move. Over the last month, the US dollar has been on absolute fire. It's been the best performing currency except some of the LATAM currencies, but in G10, the US dollar's worked. So you're fighting a stronger US dollar. You're fighting carry. You're finding structural flows from Japan where you're seeing people saying that the Bank of Japan are just uncredible. They're well behind the curve on where interest rates need to be. There's a credibility positive development that's taking place in the US with Kevin Warsh's leadership taking place at the Fed. And really, you're fighting a situation that really can't be moved. So it has to be coordinated. But the question now is can this kick? You know, can the dollar bill going through month end into the new month of July? And will the yen continue to be the whipping boy of G10 as carry continues to be in vogue? Let me know how you're seeing this at home and trade at Pepperstone.